Hello, I'm Andrew Hunt, Director of ESG and Innovation here at M Group. It's my privilege to introduce our latest ESG and Innovation report to you. This year feels like a significant moment for us. We've brought many of our businesses together under one name, one identity and one shared purpose. And for this year's report, we've used our refreshed values, responsible, open, together and ambitious, as the overall framework. It's a shorter, more streamlined report than before, and that's intentional. We've got so much high quality content online now that we don't rely solely on our annual document to tell the whole story. Making use of our new website, we'll be sharing updates and case studies throughout the year, so our progress is visible, current and easy to follow. I'm proud of what we've achieved over the last reporting period, but we're very clear there's still plenty more to do. And I hope that you'll agree our latest report shows real momentum and it reflects the commitment of our people right across M Group to delivering essential infrastructure services to the people who rely on it every day. On the environmental side, we've made some strong progress. Our carbon intensity has fallen by over 12%, and we've reduced our Scope 1 direct emissions even as our business has grown. We've embedded our science-based targets into the way we work and achieved an advanced rating from EcoVadis for our environmental management. Great recognition of the plans we've put in place. Last year we reused nearly 238,000 tonnes of excavated material on site and worked with supply chain partners to recycle nearly 270,000 tonnes of waste back into reusable materials. There are some big numbers in the report, and behind them are thousands of everyday decisions taken by our teams to make an active difference to the way we do business. We've also strengthened our governance with a new supplier code of conduct, making sure our values start to run right through our supply chain. Being open means being honest about where we are and where we need to improve. Our debut EcoVadis score of 56 is good and also gives us a clear baseline. We're already acting on the assessment insights to improve on our last year's performance. We've rebaselined our carbon data to reflect acquisitions and divestments, so our comparisons are fair and accurate. And we're sharing more decision-ready insights with our teams, so carbon reporting becomes a real tool for action. Our social value work this year has been inspiring. Inside our report, you'll see a special feature on how one of our businesses, Agility Eco, has supported over 33,000 vulnerable households, helping to save an estimated £70 million on their energy bills. We've reached more than 50,000 students through STEM activities from school science weeks to hands-on engineering sessions. We've renewed our Gold Award under the Defence Employer Recognition Scheme, welcomed 210 members of the Armed Forces community into roles across the group, and held our first inclusion conference, bringing our Enable advocacy networks together to turn conversations into action. Our people's well-being remains a top priority, with over 250 mental health first aiders now trained across the business. For us, ambition is about raising standards and finding better ways to deliver. We've launched our fleet decarbonisation strategy with over 80% of our company cars either EV or hybrid. Our One Data initiative in meter reading has boosted efficiency by 20%, taken 140 vehicles off the road and cut CO2 emissions by over 255 tonnes a year. We've welcomed BGen into the group, adding 1,500 skilled people and enhancing our technical engineering capability while learning from their excellent sustainability practices. And we're still innovating, from AI-powered smart sockets saving energy in our offices to using recycled plastic foundations instead of concrete for our EV charger installations. So where are we on our ESG journey? We're in a stronger place than ever, with clearer values, improving data and reporting, and growing capabilities. We're delivering real environmental benefits, creating positive social impact, and embedding good governance into everything we do. Looking to the year ahead will be about building on this momentum, deepening our partnerships, driving down emissions, and making sure our governance keeps pace and supports our growth. Finally, I'd like to thank everyone, our people, our clients, our partners, for the part you play. Together, we really are greater than the sum of our parts, and we're growing as a business in a way we can all be proud of.